Stop lying to yourself. You open your to-do list every morning and it has 20 items. By the end of the day, you only crossed off 3, but you somehow added 2 more. You've been working for 10 hours, but you never got to the one thing that actually matters: the impact work. The deep guilt is real. The truth is, your endless to-do list is not a productivity tool. It's an anxiety list, designed to make you feel overwhelmed and perpetually busy, but never truly productive. I used to live by my to-do list when I first started my business. I felt like I was running on a treadmill, busy, sweaty, but going nowhere. That list controlled me. Today, we stop managing time. We start managing energy and attention. This is the time-blocking method. It's how high performers like Bill Gates and Elon Musk plan their days. And it will multiply your output by 3x, guaranteed. I'm giving you the full 3-step tutorial you need to master this, starting right now. Step 1. Audit your energy. The number one mistake beginners make is blocking time for the wrong tasks. Time blocking isn't about what you do, it's about when you do it. Actionable tip. You need to identify your 3 energy zones: high energy, creation; mid energy, communication; and low energy, administration. For me, my high energy zone is 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. This block is reserved for deep work, writing scripts, and strategizing. No meetings, no emails. Your assignment: track your focus level for the next 2 days. Where does your energy peak? Step 2. Create the perfect week template. Step 2 is building your default schedule, your perfect week. We use a template because we want to eliminate the exhausting process of decision-making every single day. Actionable tip. Use a digital calendar, Google Calendar or Outlook. Color code your blocks based on the energy zones we defined in Step 1. Block out the non-negotiables first: sleep, exercise, and meal prep. If you don't schedule your rest will schedule your burnout. Step 3. The buffer block rule. The biggest criticism of time blocking is that life happens. A client calls, a fire needs putting out. This is why you need the buffer block rule. Actionable tip. Reserve a 30 to 60-minute block once in the morning and once in the afternoon. This is your chaos block. You use this time only for unexpected interruptions, quick email replies, or tasks that ran over their scheduled block. If you don't use it, you use it for self-improvement, reading, learning. Conclusion. Time blocking is not about cramming more into your day. It's about being intentional with the 24 hours you already have. And here is the tough love closer. If it's not on the calendar, it doesn't exist yet. Stop planning, start doing. I want you to comment below and tell me, which big project are you going to time block first this week? Subscribe for more strategies to multiply your output and master your potential. I'll see you in the next one.